everybody, welcome to Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Today I will show you how to make icebox cookie. If you put butter in the room temperature ahead, which I didn't, it is easier to start mixing with sugar than this. I have a lot of memories of making icebox cookies. When I was a high school student, my brother was about 5 or 6 years old, and he wants to help me making cookies because he wants to eat. I made him mix butter and sugar, which was hard for a little boy, but he did. However, I didn't give him cookies enough for his effort. I was a horrible sister. Then my mom gets mad at me. I started making those cookies to bring to school the next day for my friends so that I couldn't give him a lot of cookies. Anyway, he learns how to make cookies and he still enjoys making cookies nowadays. I show you 2 different icebox cookies recipe here, and the first recipe is his recipe here.
So this is how to make icebox cookie. It is pretty and it is easy, and the best thing is once you make it, you can keep in the freezer, and whenever you want to, you can take out and cut and bake it, and you can have any time when you want to have some sweets. So this is good idea to have something in your freezer all the time, I think. If you like my video, please thumbs up, that helps me. And also subscribe my YouTube channel. This is Japanese Cooking Lovers. I am Yuri. Thanks for watching and see you next time very soon.